In terms of China and Xinjiang, of course, we continue to be troubled by ongoing reports of a range of serious human rights violations in Xinjiang, which have come from a variety of different sources. Um, but consistent with our usual practice, my team is seeking to verify the material on these issues which we have received. My office and the Chinese government have resumed direct exchange on a visit to China. Um, Following more limited contact over the COVID period, of course, because of COVID. So I hope and I expect that the format and modality of such visit, providing for meaningful access to concerned areas, can be agreed soon in order to advance our assessment of the consistent concerns that have emerged. So our usual approach is when we don't have an office in a country, is that we send the technical preparatory team to go before a visit by myself as a High Commissioner, and we will see such an approach in the first half of 2021 being available in this context. So I hope we can do that mission as soon as possible.